Hey guys! I don't even know how to start this video. Hey guys. Hey guys. It has been 3 months since I posted a YouTube video. Where have I been? Honestly, the question is, where haven't I been? My summer has been so crazy and busy and emotional and a mess. So, I decided to give you a little story time, kind of. It's not really that interesting, and clean my room because my room is a wreck, and I may or may not be standing on a pile of clothes right now to film this. I'm a mess. I don't know. Anyways, let's get cleaning. It's been my first week of junior year, and I've already had like 3 mental breakdowns. Anyways, I'm sitting in a pile of clothes currently, and I'm just gonna fold them and tell you guys about my summer and my life currently and where I'm at, so that you guys can get to know me a little better, I guess. Relate to me a little bit if you're in high school, if you're not in high school. This is what you have to look forward to. So let's talk about my summer, shall we? What did I do this summer? The last time that you saw me, I was in California, and that was like so much fun. It was at the beginning of my summer. I saw my cousins, and then a couple weeks later they came back to Michigan, which was so fun, and I love them the most, and they're the best, and we always have such a great time together, and I'm sad that they're back in California, but I'll see them at Christmas time. So then July came, we had 4th of July. It was fun, good times. Yeah, July was just kind of like, yeah, I went on vacation with my family for a week. It's kind of a train wreck because my family's a little bit crazy, but I love them, but they're also a little bit crazy. But what family isn't crazy, honestly? But it was a great time. Always have that, you know, quality family bonding time. Then August hit and it was school, and my life flashed before my eyes. Well, not my life, my summer. And I know a lot of people say this, but summer 2019 just had this weird vibe around it where it just felt like it didn't even happen. But I did so much, but it also just felt like it didn't happen. And I kind of got off YouTube for a little while because 1, I kind of ran out of inspiration, and 2, I just wanted to spend time with my friends and my family all summer. Mostly my boyfriend because he left for college. Which is fine. Hopefully you can see more videos from me soon. I tried to film one and it just didn't end well, so yeah. So let's talk about my first week of junior year. I went into it like super unprepared. I didn't even finish my summer homework. I don't even know. I didn't really even care what was going on. Got my picture taken. I got a bunch of like syllabuses and whatever. And then that night on the first day of school, my boyfriend left for college, which was just great. So I've officially been long distance for a week, and it has sucked. But if you guys are also in long distance relationships, let me know, because I'd love your advice, because, you know, it's not easy. High school is hard. There's such a toxic environment around having to have friends and fit in and be somebody who everybody else wants you to be. And I know that sounds so corny, but it's just true. Like, I'm kind of known for being that YouTube girl at school. Even though I literally only have like 400 subscribers, it's still like, whenever I get a TBH from somebody, it's always like, oh, I don't know you that well, but your YouTube channel is cool, so like, that's cool. And do I know I get made fun of for it? Yeah, I know. It's not, obviously, I knew that going into it, but like band or theater kids, and then like I'm also not popular in my grade, and I'm also not really like, I don't know, I just don't feel like I really have a place per se, because yeah, I'm on the volleyball team, but I also do theater, and yeah, I'm friends with some popular people, but I'm also friends with a lot of band kids, and it's just hard to make a place for yourself when you just want to be kind to everybody. I just try to be a nice, kind person to everybody, and it's hard because you get labeled. And you have to have a label in high school, basically. It's hard. It's really hard. My goals are to not care what people think about me, make new friends, have old friends, be kind to people, and keep doing the things I love and not care about what other people think about it. I want to talk about my unpopular opinions, high school edition. First one, freshmen get bullied way too much and it's not cool. Bullying freshmen isn't cool. I don't think being just straight up mean to freshmen is cool at all, because guys, believe it or not, we were freshmen 2-3 years ago. Your future significant other might be a freshman right now. It's not gonna matter in 5-6 years. It won't even matter in 2 years. We're gonna be gone. It doesn't matter. Unpopular opinion number 2. You guys probably all know this about me. I'm a theater kid, kind of. I'm also an athlete, kind of. I play varsity volleyball and I've been in theater for like 6 years, since I was like a little kid. So, you know, I think I can see both sides of the equation, and I think theater and band kids get a bad rap, and I think it's really, really stupid when people say, oh, well, they're a band kid, so they're weird, or they're a theater kid, so they're weird. Or people are so ignorant when it comes to theater and the arts and band and everything, and everybody gives them so much crap for things that they love. There could be so much more inclusivity when it comes to that. Like, it's not weird. If you want to do theater, do it. By the time your senior year rolls around and you're graduated and you think, wow, I really wish I would have done that, just do it. Get involved. Do things that are outside of your comfort zone, because you never know, you might love it. I don't know where I'm going with this. Now I need to hang up all my clothes, and while I do that, I wanted to talk about some advice for freshmen that I have going into high school. First thing, freshmen. Popularity isn't anything in the long run. If you were popular in high school, probably means you peaked in high school, which isn't exactly a good reputation you want to have as a 50-year-old who's out of a job and smoking on the side of the street. To say that you were popular in high school, you know, not really that big of a deal. But there's a difference between being popular because you are in the popular crowd, or just being popular because you're a nice person and people just like you because you're genuine. And that's fun, and I totally encourage that. If you are a great person and you're just popular because people like you, then you're gonna go places. But if you're popular because you jewel with people in the bathroom, that's not gonna end up well. Piggybacking off of that, the next thing that I have to say to freshmen, don't jewel. It literally is nothing but bad for you. I can't speak from experience. I never put that stuff in my lungs. I'm not a hypocrite like Summer McKeen. I genuinely have never jeweled or vaped or anything before. But I know, I've heard that you can get addicted to it. It's addictive. It's awful for you. People have died from it. People's lungs have collapsed. There's so many things coming out. It's bad. It's not cool to jewel. Sorry, guys. Tip number 3, be kind. Be kind to people. Be a genuinely nice person. You really never know when somebody's going through a hard time, and you don't know what they're going through or when or how. Number 5.
Did I skip number 4? Yes. Are we gonna talk about it? No. Stay in school, kids.
Stop worrying about finding a boyfriend or a girlfriend or your significant other in your freshman year. Some of my friends did, and did those relationships last? No. But as soon as you start looking for love, it won't come to you. You have to just let go and start loving yourself, and as soon as you do, you'll find somebody and they'll love you, and it's a great time. So just make sure you put yourself and love yourself before you worry about finding that special somebody. Make friends, join clubs, do other things, because I think it's cool to have a high school relationship, but your freshman year probably isn't where you're gonna find it. Unless you do, which is cool, but you know, not trying to judge, not trying to say it's bad or good. I'm just saying you don't need to worry about it. Number 6, school dances. School dances are fun. Go to them. Don't worry about having a date. I wish I would have gone with my friends freshman year because it was just so much, having a date is a lot of stress and it usually ends up being kind of awkward. Just saying. Go to dances, have fun, you won't regret it. And that concludes my tips for freshmen. Deep breath. It's gonna be okay, you're gonna survive.